A blessed day everyone, it's me again, Teacher Lumaban, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell, to be updated in my videos. This time we will have general knowledge exercises set A general mathematics. I hope you learned something, and enjoy this video. Please share it with your friends, to also learn about this topic. Be safe, and God bless you always.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Combined terms, 12a plus 26b minus 4b minus 16a. Please choose the correct answer to the following choices. Letter A 4a plus 22b. Letter B negative 28a plus 30b. Letter C negative 4a plus 22b. Letter D 28a plus 30b. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C negative 4a plus 22b. The combined terms of 12a plus 26b minus 4b minus 16a is negative 4a plus 22b. 12a plus 26b minus 4b minus 16a equals 12a minus 16a plus 26b minus 4b equals dash 4a plus 22b. Simplify, 4 minus 5, minus 13 minus 18 plus 2. Letter A negative 2. Letter B negative 1. Letter C 1. Letter D 2. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D 2. The simplification of 4 minus 5, minus 13 minus 18 plus 2, is 2. Solution: 4 minus 5, minus 13 minus 18 plus 2, equals negative 1 minus 13 plus 2 minus 18, equals negative 1 minus 15 minus 18, equals negative 1 minus negative 3, equals negative 1 plus 3, equals 2. If the average or arithmetic mean of x and minus 5 is 10, then what must be the value of x? Letter A 15. Letter B 20. Letter C 25. Letter D 30. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C 25. The formula is x plus negative 5 over 2 equals 10. To find the value of x, 10 multiply by 2 because there are two numbers, the x and the negative 5, the result is 20. 20 minus negative 5, the result is 25. The value of x is 25. Let's check if we are correct. 25 plus negative 5 equal to 20 divided by 2, the result is 10. Which of the following gives the numerical value of the population? Letter A range. Letter B variable. Letter C statistics. Letter D parameter. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D parameter. A parameter is a value, usually a numerical value, that describes a population. A parameter obtained from a single measurement or derived from a set of population appraisal. The grades of ABM Block 4 in mathematics are as follows: 80, 75, 60, 95, 100. What is the population variance of their group? Letter A 206. Letter B 224. Letter C 264. Letter D 270. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A 206. The formula of the population variance. The value of X equals to 80, 75, 60, 95, 100. The value of M equals to 80, 75, 60, 95, 100 over 5. The result is 82. The value of N equals to 5 because there are 5 grades. Let's compute for the X minus M. 80 minus 82 equals to -2. 75 minus 82 equals to -7. 60 minus 82 equals to -22. 95 minus 82 equals 13. 100 minus 82 equals to 18. Add the result, which is equivalent to 0. Followed by computing for X minus M squared. -2 multiplied by -2 equals 4. -7 multiplied by -7 equals 49. -22 multiplied by -20 equals 484. 13 multiplied by 13 equals 169. 18 multiplied by 18 equals to 324. Add the result, and the sum will be 1030. Divide 1030 to n, which is equivalent to 5. 1030 divided by 5 equals 206. The population variance of ABM Block 4 is 206. In a science test, 8 students obtained the following scores: 10, 15, 12, 18, 16, 24, 12, 14. What is the median score? Letter A 14. Letter B 14.5. Letter C 15. Letter D 15.5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B 14.5. Arrange the scores ascending or descending like from 10, 12, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 24. The n is equals to 8 because there are 8 scores. Median is equals to n plus 1 over 2, which means 8 plus 1 over 2, that equals to 9 over 2, that is equivalent to 4.5. Count the number from the start and end at the 4.5 number, which is 14.5 because it is in the middle of 14 and 15. Find the least common multiple of 5, 2, 7. Letter A 15. Letter B 35. Letter C 70. Letter D 140. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C 70. Among the 3 numbers, only number 2 is divisible by 2. No number is divisible by 3. Only number 5 is divisible by 5. Only number 7 is divisible by 7. No number is divisible by 11. If there is no shared divisible number, the number will be multiplied by each other to get the least common multiple. 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. 10 multiplied by 7 equals 70. The answer is 70. Mylene's car traveling at a rate of 70 km per hour leaves the house 2 hours after a Shell car has left over and overtaken it. In 5 hours, at what speed was Shell car traveling? Letter A 20 km per hour. Letter B 30 km per hour. Letter C 40 km per hour. Letter D 50 km per hour. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D 50 km per hour. Mylene car equals 70 km per hour multiplied by 5 hours is 350. Shell car equal to x kilometers per hour multiplied by 3 hours because 5 hours minus 2 hours is 3. The result is 3x. The result will be 3x equals 350. Both numbers will be divided by 3, and 3 goes to 50. The answer is 50. The locus of a point in a plane equidistant from a fixed point is known as letter A circle, letter B triangle, letter C hexagon, letter D rectangle. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A circle. The locus of a point in a plane equidistant from a fixed point is known as circle. A circle is a shape consisting of all points in a plane that are at a given distance from a given point, the center. Equivalently, it is the curve traced out by a point that moves in a plane so that its distance from a given point is constant. The opposite angles of any quadrilateral inscribed in a circle are letter A tangent, letter B reflective, letter C supplementary, letter D complementary. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C supplementary. The opposite angles of any quadrilateral inscribed in a circle are supplementary. In maths, the meaning of supplementary is related to angles that make a straight angle together. It means two angles are said to be supplementary angles when they add up to 180 degrees. What are the two straight lines in the same plane which never meet? Letter A angles. Letter B vertex. Letter C parallel lines. Letter D transversal lines. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C parallel lines. A parallel lines are the two straight lines in the same plane which never meet. In geometry, parallel lines are lines in a plane that do not meet, that is, two straight lines in a plane that do not intersect at any point are said to be parallel. Colloquially, curves that do not touch each other or intersect and keep a fixed minimum distance are parallel. Which among measures of central tendency is not influenced by outliers? Letter A mean. Letter B mode. Letter C median. Letter D weighted mean. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, mode. Mode is not influenced by outliers. For your information, the mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. A set of data may have one mode, more than one mode, or no mode at all. Other popular measures of central tendency include the mean, or the average of a set, and the median, the middle value in a set. If a die rolled, what is the probability of getting a number described by 2? Letter A, 1/2. Letter B, 1/3. Letter C, 1/4. Letter D, 1/6. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, 1/6. The probability of getting a number described by 2 is 1/6. For your information, probabilities are calculated using the simple formula. Probability equals number of desired outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. So to get a 6 when rolling a 6-sided die, probability equals 1 divided by 6 equals 0.167, or 16.7% chance. If a student has an average of 76% on his first 2 tests and has an average of 85% on the next 4 tests, what is the final average on all 6 tests? Letter A, 80.5%. Letter B, 81.3%. Letter C, 82%. Letter D, 82.5%. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, 82%. The final average on all 6 tests is 82.0%. The formula is the total score for the first 2 tests, 2 multiplied by 76 equals 152. The total score for the next 4 tests, 4 multiplied by 85 equals 340. Total score for all 6 tests, 152 plus 340 equals 492. Divided 492 by 6 to get the overall average of 82%. The answer is 82%. It shows the progress in academic grades over 4 quarters. Letter A, bar graph. Letter B, pie graph. Letter C, line graph. Letter D, circle graph. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, line graph. The line graph shows the progress in academic grades over 4 quarters. A line graph is a type of chart used to show information that changes over time. We plot line graphs using several points connected by straight lines. We also call it a line chart. The line graph comprises 2 axes known as the x-axis and y-axis. The horizontal axis is known as the x-axis. It illustrates the portion of the data relates to the whole. Letter A, pie graph. Letter B, bar graph. Letter C, line graph. Letter D, area diagram. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, pie graph. A pie graph illustrates the portion of the data relates to the whole. A pie chart is a type of graph that visualizes data in a circular, The pieces are proportional to the fraction of the whole in each category. Each slice of the pie is relative to the size of that category in the group as a whole. Find the slope of a line that passes through the points -1, 0, and 3, 8. Letter A 2. Letter B 4. Letter C 6. Letter D 8. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A 2. The slope of a line that passes through the points -1, 0, and 3, 8 is 2. The slope m is given by m equals y2, y1, slash x2, x1, equals 8 to 0, slash 3, minus 1, equals 2. Jeffrey is not at home. He blanked to the library to borrow a book. Letter A is go. Letter B will go. Letter C is going. Letter D will be going. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C is going. Jeffrey is not at home. He is going to the library to borrow a book. The rules is present continuous, happening now. Temporary states. In the example of 10 to the 5th power plus 6x, the exponent is blank. Letter A 5. Letter B 6. Letter C 10. Letter D Y. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A 5. The exponent of the 10 to the 5th power is 5. The formula is 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 equals 100,000. The exponent is 5. Simplify, 6 minus 3 minus, negative 4, plus 11 plus 8. Letter A, negative 26. Letter B, negative 20. Letter C, 20. Letter D, 26. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, negative 20. The simple for of 6 minus 3 minus, negative 4, plus 11 plus 8 is negative 20. The formula is remove the parentheses 6 minuses, 3 minuses, negative 4, plus 11 plus 8. Calculate the sum 6 minuses, 3 plus 4 plus 11 plus 8. Calculate 6 minus 26. The solution is negative 20. Simplify, 3x minus 12, divided by 3x, divided by x minus 4. Letter A, x. Letter B, 3x. Letter C, 1 over x. Letter D, x minus 4. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, 1 over x. the simple form of 3x minus 12 divided by 3x divided by x minus 4 equals to 1 over x. The formula is 3x minus 12 over 3x over x minus 4. Write the fraction as a division. 3x minus 12 over 3x divided by x minus 4. To divide a fraction by an expression, multiply by the reciprocal of that expression. 3x minus 12 over 3x multiplied by 1 over x minus 4. To multiply the fractions, multiply the numerators and denominators separately. 3x minus 12 multiplied by 1 over 3x multiplied by x minus 4. Any expression multiplied by 1 remains the same. 3x minus 12 over 3x multiplied by x minus 4. Factor out 3 from the expression. 3 multiplied by x minus 4 over 3x multiplied by x minus 4. Reduce the fraction with 3. X minus 4 over x multiplied by x minus 4. Reduce the fraction with x4. The solution is 1 over x. A receipt calls for 2 eggs for every cup of flour. If a cook uses 26 cups of flour, how many eggs will he need? Letter A 14 eggs. Letter B 52 eggs. Letter C 56 eggs. Letter D 65 eggs. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B 52 eggs. A receipt calls for 2 eggs for every cup of flour. If a cook uses 26 cups of flour, it will need 52 eggs. 2 eggs equals 1 cup of flour. X egg multiplied by 26 cups of flour. 2 eggs multiplied by 26 cups of flour equals 52 eggs. The answer is 52 eggs. What is the total amount after adding interest of 9% on 10,000 pesos for 3 years? Letter A 10,400 pesos. Letter B 10,900 pesos. Letter C 11,000 pesos. Letter D 11,500 pesos. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B 10,900 pesos. The total amount after adding interest of 9% on 10,000 pesos for 3 years is 10,900 pesos. To compute for the interest, 10,000 pesos multiplied by 9% equals x. 10,000 pesos multiplied by 9% equals 900 pesos. 10,000 pesos plus 900 pesos equals 10,900 pesos. The answer is 10,900 pesos. The fraction halfway between 3 over 7 and 4 over 7 is blank. Letter A 1 over 2. Letter B 1 over 3. Letter C 1 over 4. Letter D 1 over 8. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A 1/2. The fraction halfway between 3/7 and 4/7 is 1/2. To compute for the halfway, 3 over 7 plus 4 over 7, divided by 2 equals x. Add the two fractions and divide it by 2. 7 over 7, divided by 2 equals x. 7 over 7, divided by 2 equals 1 over 2. The answer 1 over 2. In a social studies test, 8 students obtained the following scores: 12, 10, 13, 11, 15, 20, 19, 17. What is the median score? Letter A 14. Letter B 15.5. Letter C 16.5. Letter D 17. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A 14. The median score of 8 students of social studies that obtained the following scores: 12, 10, 13, 11, 15, 20, 19, 17. The computation is: first, arrange the scores ascending or descending like from 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. The n equals 8 because there are 8 scores. Then median is equal to n plus 1 over 2, which means 8 plus 1 over 2, which equals 9 over 2, which is equivalent to 4.5. Count the number from the start and end at the 4.5 number, which is 14 because it is in the middle of 13 and 15. The answer is 14. Simplify: 3x minus 9 over x2 minus 9. Letter A 3 over x plus 1. Letter B 3 over x minus 1. Letter C 3 over x plus 3. Letter D 3 over x minus 3. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C 3 over x plus 3. The simple form of 3x minus 9 over x2 minus 9 is C3 over x plus 3. To simplify, 3x minus 9 over x2 minus 9. The first step is to write the problem as a mathematical expression: 3x minus 9 over x squared minus 9. Factor 3 out of 3x minus 9. Simplify the denominator: 3 multiplied by x minus 9 over x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3. Cancel the common factor of like x minus 3. The simplest form is C3 over x plus 3. What are the prime factors of 120? Letter A 2x 4x 3x 5. Letter B 2x 3x 4x 5. Letter C 2x 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 3x 5. Letter D 2x 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 6x 5. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C 2x 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 3x 5. The prime factorization of 120 is 2x 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 3x 5. Which is the same as 120 equals to 2 squared multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Prime factorization can be nicely visualized by creating a factorization tree. 120 can be written as 10 times 12. 10 can be written as 2 times 5. 12 can be written as 2 times 6. 6 can be written as 2 times 3. The end nodes are the prime factors of the number 120. What percent of 75 is 15? Letter A 20%. Letter B 30%. Letter C 38%. Letter D 40%. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, 20%. The percent of 75 is 15 is 20%. Write it into an equation. X percent multiplied 75 equals 15. Divide. X percent multiplied 75 over 75 equals 15 over 75. Simplify. X percent equals 15 over 75 or 0.2. 0.2 equals 20%. The answer is 20%. How long will it take Eileen and Sheila together to finish a job? Which can be done by Eileen alone in 6 days and Sheila alone in 3 days. Letter A, 2 days. Letter B, 2½ days. Letter C, 3 days. Letter D, 3½ days. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, 2 days. It will take Eileen and Sheila together to finish a job in 2 days. Let us convert it a fraction, a job over 6 days and a job over 3 days. Find the same denominator. Equals 2 over 12 and 4 over 12. Join the two fraction. Equals 12 over 6 or 2. Answer 2 days. Kenrag Company manufactures beds. In its catalog, a twin bed the priced at 5,000 pesos less a discount to the trade of 20%. What will the customer have to pay for the bed? Letter A, 4,000 pesos. Letter B, 4,250 pesos. Letter C, 4,500 pesos. Letter D, 4,980 pesos. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, 4,000 pesos. The customer have to pay for 4,000 pesos for the bed. X equals 5,000 pesos multiplied 20%. 1,000 pesos equals 5,000 peso multiplied 20%. 4,000 pesos equals 5,000 pesos minus 1,000 pesos. The answer is 4,000 pesos. What is the least common multiple of 12 and 60? Letter A, 120. Letter B, 140. Letter C, 340. Letter D, 360. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, 120. The least common multiple of 12 and 60 is 120. To get the least common multiple, first, write all the multiples 12 and 60. Then search for the least or the lowest shared multiple numbers of 12 and 60. The least common multiple numbers of 12 and 60 is 120. The ninth multiple of 12 and the first multiple of 60. The least common multiple, LCM, of 2, 3, and 4 is blank. Letter A, 12. Letter B, 13. Letter C, 14. Letter D, 24. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, 12. The least common multiple, LCM, of 2, 3, and 4 is 12. To get the least common multiple, first, write all the multiples 2, 3, and 4. Then search for the least or the lowest shared multiple numbers of 2, 3, and 4. The least common multiple numbers of 1, 2, 3, and 4 is 12. The fifth multiple of 2, the third multiple 3, and the second multiple of 4 is 12. Simplify x2 minus y2 over x plus y. Letter A, y minus x. Letter B, x minus y. Letter C, negative x minus negative y. Letter D, negative x add y. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter x minus y. The simple form of x2 minus y2 over x plus y is x minus y. To get the simple form, first simplify x2 minus y2 over x plus y. Then factoring x squared minus y squared. Check, x squared is the square of x1. Check, y squared is the square of y1. Factorization is x plus y multiplied by x minus y. Cancel out x plus y, which appears on both sides of the fraction line. Final result is x minus y. A rectangular piece of iron has dimensions of 5 meters x 10 meters x 15 meters and weights 1000 N. How should this piece be placed on a surface to exert the slightest pressure on the top? Letter A, all sides have equal pressure. Letter B, on the 5 meters by 10 meters side. Letter C, on the 5 meters by 15 meters side. Letter D, on the 10 meters by 15 meters side. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A. All sides have equal pressure. It should this piece be placed on a surface to exert the slightest pressure on the top with all sides have equal pressure. The pressure at any point below the upper boundary of fluids, such as air and water, is uniform in all directions due to the fluid molecules being in constant motion and continually bumping into one another. The measure of an angle is 25 more than its supplement. What is the quantity of the larger angle? Letter A, 77.5 degrees. Letter B, 95.5 degrees. Letter C, 102.5 degrees. Letter D, 110.5 degrees. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, 102.5 degrees. The quantity of the larger angle is 102.5 degrees. A equals the angle equals B plus 25 degrees, B equals the supplement. A plus B equals 180 degrees. Substitute for A. B plus 25 degrees plus B equals 180 degrees. 2B equals 155 degrees. B equals 77.5 degrees. The smaller angle is 77.5 degrees. A equals B plus 25 degrees equals 102.5 degrees. Answer: the larger angle is 102.5 degrees. How many ways can the 5 girls be seated in a row of 5 seats? Letter A, 95. Letter B, 100. Letter C, 105. Letter D, 120. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. 120. So there are 120 different ways to seat 5 girls in 5 chairs. There can 5 girls selected for the first seat. Then, there are 4 girls to select from for the second seat. Then, there are 3 girls to select from for the third seat. Then, there are just 2 girls to select from for the fourth seat. Then, there is just 1 girl for the fifth and final seat. Therefore the number of ways to seat 5 girls in 5 seats is 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply equals 120. Simplify 3, x minus 4y, minus 4y minus 3x, minus 2x plus y. Letter A 4x plus 17y. Letter B 4x minus 17y. Letter C negative 4x plus 17y. Letter D negative 4 minus 17y. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B 4x minus 17y. The simple form of 3x minus 4y, minus 4y minus 3x, minus 2x plus y, is 4x minus 17y. Let's simplify step by step. 3x minus 4y, minus 4y minus 3x, minus 2x plus y. Distribute the negative sign. Equals 3x minus 4y, minus 4y minus 3x, plus negative 1, 2x plus y. Equals 3x minus 4y, plus negative 4y plus 3x plus minus 1, 2x, plus negative 1y. Equals 3x minus 4y, plus negative 4y plus 3x plus negative 2x plus negative y. Distribute. Equals 3x, plus 3, negative 4y, plus negative 4y plus 3x plus negative 2x plus negative y. Equals 3x plus negative 12y plus negative 4y plus 3x plus negative 2x plus negative y. Combine like terms. Equals 3x plus negative 12y plus negative 4y plus 3x plus negative 2x plus negative y. Equals 3x plus 3x plus negative 2x, plus negative 12y plus negative 4y plus negative y. Equals 4x plus negative 17y. The answer is equals 4x minus 17y. The sum of the sides of a polygon is the blank. Letter A legs. Letter B area. Letter C volume. Letter D perimeter. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D perimeter. The sum of the sides of a polygon is the perimeter. The total distance of the outer sides of a closed figure is known as the perimeter. It is the total length of all sides of a polygon. The unit of the perimeter of any polygon will remain the same as the unit of its respective sides. The altitude of a triangle is 5 meters, and the base is 20 meters. What is the area of the triangle? Letter A. 20 square meters. Letter B. 24 square meters. Letter C. 50 square meters. Letter D. 60 square meters. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, 50 square meters. The area of the triangle is 50 square meters. To get the area of the triangle, area equals 0.5 multiply b multiply h, where b is the length of the base of the triangle. Area equals 0.5 multiply 20 multiply h, and h is the height/altitude of the triangle. Area equals 0.5 multiply 20 multiply 5. The result is 50 equals 0.5 multiply 20 multiply 5. The area of the triangle is 50. 0.035 equals blank. Letter A 7/20. Letter B 7/200. Letter C 35/100. Letter D 7/1000. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B 7/200. 0.035 equals 7/200. 0.035 equals 35/1000. Divide top and bottom by 5 equals 7/200.
I hope you enjoyed, learned something new about our topic on the general knowledge exercises set A general mathematics. If you learned something in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to also learn about this topic. If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, you can leave a message in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos, hoping that we meet again in my next vlog, and God bless you always.